What's up guys? I'm sure you can tell the video quality is so much better, more crisp. That's because I got a brand new camera, more on that later. But I also discovered that if I point my finger that way really fast, I'm gonna do it really tinily so it doesn't happen. But if I point it really fast, something cool happens. So let's give this a try. Whoa, by the way, I got a new package. I need that and that. Thank you very much. Okay, let's unbox these. Oh my gosh, I really don't want to shoot this video. Try and focus. I'm a little sick. Nothing better What's up you freaking punks? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going over different camera transitions that you can do so easily you could use your phone. So the first transition that you saw in the sequence in the beginning is called the whip pan. And I have a little helper with me today. I'm gonna be using this pumpkin as a demonstration of a camera. I know I could use my phone, but that's no fun. So the whip transition, you're filming your video. You wanna end it by whipping it, either left or right. Now, keep in mind, whatever way you whip it at the end of your video is the way you're gonna start your next clip. If you're ending with a whip, you're gonna wanna start with a whip. That's just how it works. Breathe, Nathan, breathe. If you're ending your clip in the beginning, whipping to the right, you're gonna wanna start your next clip whipping to the right and then film what you wanna film. All right, I know this is ridiculous, but it's fall season and we have to get with it. Next transition that we did in the beginning sequence, I like to call the black to black or the dark to dark. It's not racist. All right, so for the black to black transition, you're gonna wanna shoot your video and then you're gonna wanna end on something that's gonna completely cover your lens. Yes, this is my lens. So you're gonna wanna end on something that's gonna completely cover your lens. For the next video, you're gonna start on something that's gonna completely cover your lens so that the camera is blacked out, the shot is blacked out, and you're gonna pull away, you're gonna be like, whoa, what's up? Whoa, that was cool, wacky, weird, and stuff. And that is the black to black transition. Okay, we are on a freaking roll here. Motorcycles. The next transition I like to call a color transition. I used a gray wall. It's easy, you can use a floor, a chair, your face, a door, the sky. You can use the sky because sometimes the sky is white, sometimes it's blue. What I did was I shot the video and then I ended on the wall like an inch away or two because you don't want to be too close because then that would black out your frame. So I ended my clip with me an inch away from the wall so you see the color of the wall, the screen is completely gray, and then I started it on a different wall. So you get that nice smooth seamless transition. Thank you Mr. Pumpkin for helping me out with this video. Okay doke guys, so really quickly I'm gonna go over how you can put the clips together in Premiere Pro. So really quickly we're gonna go over how you can do the morph cut. So essentially you're gonna wanna get your clips together in your timeline. So right here I have my first clip, and then I whip it out like that. Here, I'm gonna turn my volume down. I whip out, and then I start my next clip whipping in. So go to where there is the most motion blur when you do it. So I would say there's a lot right here. And then the more color, generally the better. So you're just gonna wanna cut it there. So set your end point there, and then you're gonna go to your next clip where you started, and you're gonna do the same thing, but at the beginning you're gonna find where there's the most amount of motion blur, and then you're gonna set your endpoint there and put those together, and that's basically all you need for it. So let's see it. Transitions like this. Whoa. See, very simple, very easy to do. For this, like I said before, get your clips into your timeline, and you're gonna want to set your endpoint for this one relatively soon after there's the most black on your screen. So I'd say about right there. So I'm gonna end it there, and we're gonna start this one. Usually with the one that you start with, you're gonna want it to be pretty fast. So I'm gonna start it like right here. And this is just personal preference, so it doesn't really matter. And if you don't like the way that looks, you can throw a cross dissolve in between here to make it look better. Alright, now the color transition, which can sometimes be the most finicky, but who gives a crap? So basically that's what you're going to want to do. I use the whiteness of the package, and you can see in this clip it's more blue, and then in this clip it's more yellow. So without making any color corrections, we can actually make this work. So we're going to go right to about where it fills the frame and my thumb is out of it. So right there. We're going to end it there. Bring our next clip over, and we're going to start where there's motion. So I'd say about right there. And now this is going to look weird at first, but this is what it looks like without any like effects on it. See, that's a really hard cut, but we can fix that easily, don't worry. I'm here to save the day. Go over to your effects tab and then go to video transitions and then drag your cross dissolve over to that clip and then shorten that a little bit. Yeah, easy, cool. And that's, if you want, like I said, personal preference, but you can speed that up a little bit so it's less weird looking. But yeah, that is the basics on how to combine the transitions. Alright guys, those are really easy transitions. I hope you learned a thing or two today. If you did, be sure to let me know below. If you want, you can like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you guys in the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna finish my water now. Alright, have a good one, guys. Block out the camera with my body. Boom.